Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kathal. We are on the chapter Transportation in Animals. We have studied the transportation of digested food. Now we study about the transportation of waste material. The waste material are produced in the body by every cell and they are toxic. So it is very important to remove the waste product from the body. To remove the waste product from the body is known as excretion. Excretion means the removal of the waste product from the body. In unicellular organism, the process of excretion takes place by the process of diffusion. We have already studied. But in multicellular organisms, like animals, they have the special organ for excretion of waste material. The special organ for the excretion of waste material in human beings, they are kidney. We have pair of kidney and they are bean shaped. Kidney receive the blood. Kidney receive the blood which take the body's waste material. Blood receive the body waste material and take it to the kidney. And kidney remove the waste material, that is the urine or the urea from the kidney. This impure, this blue color, impure blood received by the kidney. And kidney remove the waste product in the form of urine. This yellow color is urine that is secreted in the kidney and that is stored in the urinary bladder. And the pure blood again pass to all body parts. So this is the function of the kidney. Kidney receive the impure blood. This blue color is the impure blood. This impure blood pass to the kidneys and kidneys purify the blood and collect the waste material in the form of urine and pass it to the urinary bladder. And again the purified blood is transported to all part of the body. In this way, kidney remove the excreted waste product from the body. One model we have that is made by Shitu of excretory system. In this, we have the pair of kidney. Here we have the blue color blood, that is impure blood, that pass to the kidney, and when the kidney receive the impure blood, it remove the impurities in the form of urine. That urine is transported from this pipe. This pipe is known as ureter. This pipe is known as ureter. They remove the urine and pass it to the urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. And the urinary bladder passed out the urine from the urethra. And again from the kidney the pure blood passes to the body. So it is a working model. You can see the working of this model. Here we are using the water. To show the working of this, we are using here water, and you can see the water is removed from the urethra. Similarly, the other waste product from the body is removed from the lungs. The lungs remove the carbon dioxide, that is the waste product from the body, and from the skin we remove the sweat, that is also the waste product of the body. The excess salt and minerals, they are removed through the sweat. The gaseous product in the form of carbon dioxide, the liquid product in the form of urine from the kidney, and the solid product from the rectum to the anus in the form of phases, that is passed out from the digestive system. The undigested waste is passed out from the anus. To differentiate these two things, the liquid in the form of urine, it is passed out from the kidney, and the solid waste after the digestion, the undigested waste, that is collected in the rectum. From the large intestine it passes into the rectum, and from the anus it is removed from the body. So these are the different types of waste, solid, liquid and gaseous waste. They are removed from the body by the different excretory system. They are also included in the excretory system. The main excretory system is kidney, but they are also excrete the waste, lungs and skin. They are also excrete the waste product from the body.